Understanding the phrase, chaser. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll explore the term, chaser. This word might ring a bell if you've ever been to a bar or heard people talking about drinks. But, is that all there is to it? Let's find out. When you're in a bar, a chaser is a drink taken immediately after another one, mainly to wash down the taste of the first drink. For example, if someone takes a shot of whiskey, they might follow it up with a chaser of water or soda to cleanse their palate. Example, I'll have a shot of tequila with a lime chaser. It's a handy term to know, especially if you find yourself in social situations where drinks are involved. The term, chaser, isn't confined to the world of beverages. It has other meanings, too. 1. In a race or a game, a chaser can refer to someone who is trying to catch or surpass the leader. Example, in the marathon, the lead runner had a strong chaser just a minute behind him. 2. In meteorology, a storm chaser is someone who actively follows and documents severe weather conditions like tornadoes. Example, the storm chaser managed to capture some breathtaking footage of the tornado. And there we have it. The term, chaser, is versatile in the English language. Whether you're sipping a drink at a bar or watching a thrilling race, you now know how to use and understand this word in different contexts. We hope this video helped clarify things for you. Stay curious, and keep exploring the beautiful world of English. Cheers!